Welcome to this video where we'll dive into the functional divisions of the nervous system, the somatic and autonomic systems. Understanding these two systems is crucial to seeing how the body controls both voluntary movements and involuntary functions, like heartbeat, digestion, and more. Let's break it all down. The peripheral nervous system, PNS, connects the central nervous system, CNS, which includes the brain and spinal cord, to the rest of the body. Essentially, it serves as a communication network, enabling the flow of sensory information to the CNS and transmitting motor commands from the CNS to muscles and glands. The PNS is divided into two main functional systems, the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Let's start with the somatic nervous system, which controls voluntary movements and conscious sensations. This system primarily governs skeletal muscles, allowing us to engage in deliberate actions like walking, lifting objects, or even typing on a keyboard. The somatic system works by receiving sensory information through afferent neurons, sending it to the CNS for processing, and then triggering a motor response through efferent neurons. This allows us to consciously interact with the environment and control our movements. Next, we have the autonomic nervous system, which manages all the involuntary functions in the body. These are the things we don't consciously control, like heart rate, digestion, breathing, and metabolism. The autonomic system keeps everything running smoothly in the background, ensuring the body maintains homeostasis, or internal balance, even when we're not aware of it. The autonomic nervous system is further divided into two opposing systems, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. These two systems have opposite effects, but work together to maintain balance in the body's functions. First, let's look at the sympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the system responsible for the fight or flight response. This system kicks into action during stressful or emergency situations, preparing the body for quick action. When activated, the sympathetic system increases heart rate, dilates pupils, and redirects blood flow to skeletal muscles, getting the body ready for rapid movement. It also stimulates the release of epinephrine or adrenaline from the adrenal medulla, boosting energy and alertness. On the other side, we have the parasympathetic nervous system, which handles rest and digest functions. This system helps the body relax after stress, lowering heart rate, promoting digestion, and conserving energy. When the parasympathetic system is active, it slows the heart rate, stimulates digestion, and supports processes like urination and reproductive functions. This is your body's way of recharging and maintaining essential maintenance functions. Together, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems keep the body balanced. In moments of stress, the sympathetic system gears us up for action, while in times of rest, the parasympathetic system takes over to conserve energy and focus on bodily repair. Let's take a closer look at how these two systems affect different organs in the body. To sum it up, the somatic nervous system controls voluntary actions, everything you consciously decide to do, like moving your muscles. In contrast, the autonomic nervous system governs involuntary processes, like keeping your heart beating or regulating digestion. Within the autonomic system, the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions work together to balance action and rest, ensuring that the body responds appropriately to its environment. Understanding how these systems work helps us appreciate the complex coordination between voluntary movement and the many involuntary processes that keep us alive. For more in-depth explanations and helpful tools for learning these concepts, be sure to check out our app, King of the Curve, or visit kingofthecurve.org for additional resources. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational videos, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.